Hi everybody, welcome back to Joy Through Play. Today we're gonna be painting paint by number framed mini kit. Today we're going to be painting this hummingbird. I love hummingbirds and I also love pandas. So today we'll be painting with my little friend here. Hi, she'll be helping us. What we'll do here is we're just gonna do my nails. There we go. Okay, I'm so excited to see. Please do like it. Oh, so let's see. Let's just take everything out. Then, so it's supposed to look like this. It'll look better when we paint it. Move everything down here. So we have the paint brushes that come with it. Only two. That's all we need, I guess. See, because that's all it came with. And this is the golden frame. Wow. Okay, and this come out. Looks like a magnet, so we can just take it out. There you go. Okay, well, okay. This is what we'll be painting on. My gosh, that looks amazing. It's small, but we could have everything. So this is what it looks like, and this is what the frame looks like. So what we're gonna do is reattach it. We have to take this out. So let's just put everything here. First, we'll put this in. And by the way, we're painting with Joy Through Play. Today is a different one. We are gonna be painting with Joy Through Play, not playing, painting. So we'll just put this in. So then it's easy. And once you're done, there's this little hook here and you can just hang it up like that. So I wanted to keep it in its case. I don't think we're supposed to keep it in the case because we could get it all over the place on the thing, which is pretty beautiful. It's kind of hard to take out. Okay, you can get your own one day. They're beautiful. So we'll just put the frame over here. Here we have our colors, and my good friend Panda here will help me paint. So we'll open the paint. It's kind of hard to. I thought we were gonna need two, but we're not. So we're gonna do it in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we have 9. I've never really done this before, so we're gonna experiment with this. We don't want it to look bad, so we'll just have to improvise. So look at all the nice brushes. Cool. Okay, we'll use this tiny one for the details here. Kind of like, oh man, did you hear that crunch? La, 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 la. Okay, we're gonna do one first, which is the blue background. So we'll have to open one here. Okay, so we're starting off with the blue color, so we'll just start painting. Ooh, that's a nice paint color. It's gonna be hard to not get it on my decks or on the hummingbird. Do that. It's covering all of them. That's good, so we don't want to see what's underneath. Looks like you don't have to mix up the colors. And we will also be having lots of fun. Like I told you, my friend Panda here is here to help me. Whoops, I got a little bit on my decks. I'll clean it up after. This painting's relaxing. There we go, all done. We need something to wash it off. I'll just have to use one of these plastics. You should have a wipe with you, or maybe like a glass of water to help take the paint off. Okay, since we're done with number 1, let's move on to number 2. Okay, we're gonna use a small paintbrush with it that came like this. And then you just rehatch it like that, or open it, that's what I should say. So number 2 is up here. Oops, I forgot to paint the eye blue. That's okay, I'll use a little paintbrush on it at the end. Let's just close number 2. and move on to number 3. If you see the number 3 on the paint by art dot paint, you will look at the paint and then say, oh, there it is. So that's the number I'll be painting on with the color that you're using. We have a 3 over here on the flower where the hummingbird's coming in. Let's see, not a 3 on her beak or anything else. Okay, I think that's it for the 3s. Oh, wait a second, I think there's more. You need to look back on here to see where is there other 3s or not. So I looked back on it and I saw that there's more 3s. Guess, oh, one more 3 on the face. Just fix over there. Okay, I think that's it for number 3. We'll move on to number 4 now. 4 here, and then another 4 where the face is like the 3. I think there's more 4s here where the flower is. We'll just flip this upside down so then we could see where the 4s are on the flower. Here. Five, okay, here we go, 5. Almost looks like the same color 4. Okay, that's it for the 9, I'm pretty sure. Let's go back in and fill some more things in because I missed some. 3 again on the lowest number because there's a big fill in here for 3. That's it for 3. So 4. Look how far we've gone. And if you're following along, that's great. Okay, I think that's it for 4. We'll close 4 up. 5 is next. What do you think so far, little friend? I love it. I knew you would. 8. 9. 8 here. And I feel like that's done. Now we just wait for it to dry. Once we wait for it to finish drying, we put it in the frame, which is all golden. I finished it. Yay! Just pull it up a little bit. Make sure it's really in there. Look how nice that looks. And then once you're done with it, you can just hang it up like that. Thanks for watching! Art with Joy Through Play.